Hello everybody, my name is Richard Arundal and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. This is a different video than I normally do and it's only going to be a quick one, but this is basically a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And 2020 has been a strange year for reasons that I will not mention here, but I wanted to also take the opportunity to let everyone know that although December's been a bit of a quiet one for me for doing videos for the channel, I've got some great ideas coming up for 2021. So the general activities I'm looking forward to do are a lot more outreach activities. I want to do more with local groups, astronomy societies, schools and so on, and definitely looking forward to seeing the development and the space industry grow over the year. That's going to be very exciting. There's lots of missions planned and look forward to sharing that journey with you. I'm also looking forward to continuing my own research with the on-orbit manufacturing concepts, and again that's something I will be sharing as I make progressions. I'm also looking forward to some new space-based literature that's coming out, and as part of the website overhaul I'm looking to create more gift ideas within the product section. So if you're looking for something to get somebody for Christmas, it might be a bit late now, but or just gifts for birthdays for someone you might know who's really into space, then by all means check out the website and see the collective space gift hub that I'm looking to build. And of course, if you know a product that's really good, whether it's artwork or books or toys or anything like that, let me know and I'd be more than happy to support it and put a link up for it. So some of the other YouTube videos I'm looking to include and branch out on, because I like doing the lectures but I want to do more than just that, and the open forums are really good. You know, I want to start doing more engagement with people who watch the videos and promoting really good discussions. But some of the other ideas I have will be to do spacecraft engineering applications and tutorials in programs such as MATLAB, or even doing CAD models so that I could show how you could potentially model spacecraft components and how you might design a system. So I look forward to continuing lectures in on-orbit manufacturing and related areas, and of course doing more open forum topics as well, because I think that's really good to promote healthy discussion. So just to finalise this video then, again, thank you very much for supporting the channel so far and supporting Arundal Astronautics, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.